Here's a pair of Sony Bluetooth headphones, model number WH-1000XM4. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to a Vizio smart TV, okay? Hopefully your Vizio smart TV does have built-in Bluetooth. If not, you can always buy a Bluetooth transmitter like I do on my older Vizio TV. Anyway, on this model TV here, I have a settings button right there, that gear icon. So let me click on that. And right away, the second one from the top right there, it says pair headphones, okay? If yours doesn't say pair headphones, maybe you connected to a different device before, just keep clicking to the right until it says pair headphones, okay? So pair headphones, let's click on OK on the remote. As soon as you click on OK under other devices, you should see that little circle right there, and it's like searching for any pair devices, okay? If it's not searching, unplug your TV, plug it back in, and go back to this page, okay? Anyway, so searching for devices in pairing mode. So we need to put these into pairing mode, okay? So let's see here. So over here, I got a custom button and a power button. So the power button here, I'm gonna press and hold, and I'm gonna keep on holding until it says it's in pairing mode. Hold it, power on. Bluetooth pairing, and now I see it pulsating, blue, 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 indicating it's in pairing mode, okay? So now we just have to wait. Didn't pop up yet. Oh, there it is, WH-1000XM4 right there. So we're gonna go down right there, click on OK to pair it. Give it 1 second here, and now it's paired. It's a check mark there, and we're ready to rock and roll. Now, if you guys have issues, you couldn't put it into pairing mode, you can't connect or whatnot, you can always reset these as well. I'll have the link below how to reset these. Anyway, so I'm up and running. I'm ready to watch YouTube or Netflix with these bad boys. Questions, issues, comment below. Good luck, guys.